Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Yubico security key in Facebook. So first of all, make sure that you download the Yubico, right? And you need the hard drive of Yubico to insert the Yubi key or pull down to activate the NFC, right? And you need to basically buy the hardware of the Yubico in order for you to add the security key in the hardware. So whenever you log into Facebook, I'm going to show you how it's done. Go, open up the Facebook, click the menu at the bottom right, and then go ahead to the settings gear at the top right, and then go ahead and click the account center or meta, and then go ahead to the password and security, select the second option, two-factor authentication. Click the first option, or whatever account that you use, and basically what you're going to do, go ahead and click the security keys. And as you can see right here, security key, you need to register your security key before you can use it to log into your Facebook. Make sure that you have your security key nearby, right? So as you can see right here, this is a demonstration on how it's done. You insert your security key so you can unlock it when you log in with your account, and make sure that you enable the Bluetooth. Now, go ahead and click register security key, all right? And then basically, once you clicked on it, you're gonna just go ahead and click insert your security key, and you're gonna set up the security key by inserting and activate your security key. If you have an NFC key, bring it near the top of this iPhone. Next, afterwards, what you're gonna do, you can just go back to your screen and make sure that you downloaded the Yubico app, right? Yubico Authenticator. Just insert the Yubi key so you can show the codes within the Yubico, including Facebook, Microsoft, whatever social media that you use. So basically that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.